Isn't this great that I get to look so terrible and I'm just beta testing? I'm just going to shoot one of these every day until I get in the rhythm and the flow of it. And really, this channel is dedicated to helping you ground. I'm going to stop closing my eyes. Dedicated to you. Dedicated to you. Why is the, looks like I'm not looking into the camera. Dedicated to you getting out of your head. I don't care where you are on the spiritual path. This is the number one thing for you to make transformational progress. Get out of your head, out of the brilliance, out of the figuring out of all that looping, and into the body. Woohoo! You've heard it a million times, but I bet you're not doing it. So here we go. Here's a simple grounding, earthing, somatic technique, practice. And after I give it to you, you can follow along with me. You can replay it. And then I'm going to go into a longer context of why this is powerful and valuable. And then I'm going to end it at the end, again with the technique. And you can redo it if you stay with me all this way. And you'll find that knowing the context, bringing the brain into the heart and the body, brain, mind, body coherence, will enrich and empower the practice even more. So here we go. I want you to take your hands. And yes, you're used to doing this and you're used to doing this. Hey, just feel your hands. And my old knobby, bony hands. But they love to garden and they love to touch and be touched. Ah. Just place them here. Just feel that. Just feel that holding yourself for a moment. That loving touch. May have been a long time since you received this touch. Now you're giving it to yourself. Take a long, deep sigh out loud with me. Yeah. Final time. Beautiful. Gently, 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 gently feel the energy. Feel the energy between the hands and the face still. Right? Very good. Very good. Yeah, now just flow that beautiful energy anywhere in your world you want, anywhere in your body you want. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Why is that a beautiful thing? Because you are using your hands in a very specific, conscious way that we typically don't use. You're either touching or massaging something or massaging someone else, but using these incredibly attuned palms. Did you know we have palm chakras? Some systems say. So chakras in the palms. And to activate those gently, sure you can do this, and sure you can do this, but just really touching gently and slowly activates already oxytocin, and then to gently touch your face. Perhaps, how long has it been since you've been touched in that loving way? Doesn't that feel good? And maybe if you were lucky, your mother or your father touched you in that way appropriately and safely as a child, and you could feel that warmth and cradling and love. And if not, you're giving it to yourself now. And isn't that beautiful and great that you can source that and give that to yourself and regenerate your own energy, ground it, recharge it, regenerate it, so you can now easily return to whatever it is that you want to do, masculine intentionality, because you have received divine feminine care. So we're combining those two worlds. Let's do it one final time together now that you understand even more deeply. Feeling, activating, feeling the palm chakras.